What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for the support, the concerns, the comments. Just love. Thank you guys for the love. For real, I really appreciate it. I'm currently in Washington State right now. I'm about 16 minutes away from picking up this load that I have to bring all the way back down to California. It's like my second time making this drive, and it's just a beautiful drive. Beautiful scenery, and it's just nice. I love the West Coast. The West Coast is definitely the place to be if you're a photographer, if you just love scenery and just good vibes, you know what I mean? So stay tuned for scenery and stay tuned for, just the drive and the experience. I'm gonna try to share it as best as I can. So alright people, so I just dropped off my loaded trailer over there, right there. That's the loaded trailer I just dropped off. I mean the empty trailer I just dropped off, and then I just picked up this loaded one. They had the it's these holes in the trailer bottom right here called the tandem holes. And in California, it can't be past like the 4th hole. So they had it on the 5th hole, so I had to slide it all the way back a while ago because California is like very strict, and that's the only state that I ever got a ticket for parking on the side of the road. They don't play no games there. So I'm just checking out the trailer, make sure everything is right, because once again, I'm not playing any games with these people. Alright guys, so I got to this place and almost didn't think it was the right place because it's like a Chinese type place with Chinese letters, but I don't think nobody is here. So I pulled in the truck in this lot. I'm gonna try to back out in the street and then back in, so it's gonna be easier for me to back in because when I looked at where the bay is, yo, this thing is difficult, yo. This is gonna be a difficult back in for real. Look. You see, that's the gate, all right? So I'm gonna have to back in the gate, and then that's the bay, like right behind that metal thing right there. So the bay is like attached to the building side right there. That's a difficult back in. So I'm gonna try to back onto the street now and just back in so I can be set up and ready for when they get here. Get in! Get! People, so I dropped off the load and now I'm at this night terminal cooking something to eat real quick. We'll take a shower, wash some clothes, and then go to the place to go pick up my next load. That's not due until like tomorrow, so that's gonna be the end of the vlog. I just wanted this vlog to be like a real simple vlog, just to give you guys some footage of, you know, the paths that we have to drive on as truck drivers. It's just a real simple vlog, and I need to get a MacBook again, yo, because my one that I had, I don't know what happened to it. My mom had it and it's not working if you don't plug it away from the charger. If you plug the charger away from it, it stopped working. So I'm saving up to get me another one now. I'm also trying to get a drone, and I definitely need to get a GoPro because I feel like that would be some dope footage with me driving, and you guys can see my, you know, like a first person type of view type thing. So just stay tuned for some more stuff vlogs, some more stuff I come, a mad move.